Is October 1st, 2025 at 12:30 a.m. and I am using version 5.2.1 of Real Cookie Banner. I have it on this website and I have set it to 1280 pixels because I'm going to demonstrate how it fails the Reflow AA success criterion, which requires that nothing be cut off or lost at 320 CSS pixels, which is equivalent to a starting viewport width of 1280 pixels at a 400% zoom. So I have my 1280 pixels set. Now I'm going to zoom in. Oh, zoom in on the website, not on DevTools. There we go. Up to 400%. There's my 400%, which, let me go out. You can see 320 pixels. It went away real fast. But basically, the reason why this is going to fail is because of these sticky components right here. And the fact that I now can only read one line of text. So in order for this to pass, all of the sticky would have to be removed so that I can actually interact with and read the content in the dialogue.